Alam mo ba ang pagpili ng tamang province kung saan ka mag-aaral ay pinakaimportanteng bagay na kailangan mong i-consider. Pagpili ng tamang province dahil ito po ay pwede magbigay sa iyo ng opportunity maging permanent resident after studying in Canada. That's why on this video, I'm going to share with you the 5 best provinces of Canada kung saan pwede kang mag-aral magkaroon ka ng opportunity to become permanent resident. And if you're ready, let's begin. What's up mga kap? It's me, Kap Joey mga kap of Kap Unity Canada in behalf of Miss Amelia Adjo. Magandang araw po sa inyo mga kap. As we promised mga kap, the 5 top province that you need to consider when you're planning to study in Canada. Number 1, andyan na ang Ontario. Dahil ang Ontario po mga kap, it's a home of top university. Gaya ng University of Toronto and York University. Plus, Ontario pumakap, marami ding job opportunity for students and graduate. And also, malaki din ang chance mong maging permanent resident after studying in Canada dahil sa Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program. The second province that you need to consider as well is the British Columbia. Perfect ito sa mga nature lover and at the same time, world-class university. Nandyan po ang University of British Columbia and Simon Fraser University. There's also a provincial nomination program for graduates gaya po sa international students. The third one po mga kap is Quebec. Yes po mga kap, you heard it right. Quebec is also one of the best choice of international student for one reason, affordable tuition fee, especially sa mga French-speaking students. Ang school na tulad ng McGill University ay globally recognized. And may mga special immigration program tulad ng Quebec Experience Program para maging permanent resident ka after studying in Canada. The fourth one pumakap is Alberta. If you want to see Miss Mel in our office at Adjunct International in Edmonton, visit our office. I'll just put the link on the description below. But anyway pumakap, Alberta is the fourth option po natin if you're planning to study in Canada dahil kilala ang Alberta sa lower cost of living compared to other province plus the top university. Nandyan po ang University of Alberta. Maganda ding job prospect for skilled graduates sa energy and tech and industry pumakap. So if you are in energy and tech industry, Alberta is your top choice. The fifth one pumakap is Manitoba. Yes, pumakap, Manitoba. Manitoba is the ideal for international student dahil sa lower tuition fee at living cost pumakap. May mga international program din sila to get your permanent residence gaya po ng Manitoba Provincial Nominee Program para sa faster PR pathways. And that's it for today, Pumakap. Thank you very much for joining us, Pumakap. Before we end this video, we would like to invite you, Pumakap, to join our growing community, Canadian Dreamer Community. On this community, Pumakap, you will have an opportunity to access the following. You will able to join our weekly webinar, Pumakap, plus our 5 days immigration success. And also we have an exclusive immigration bootcamp. You will able to learn express entry, provincial nominee, or AIP, or how to find job offer here in Canada. You'll be able to access also our real success stories to give you more inspiration. So we strongly suggest mga kap, if you are dreaming to study, immigrate, work in Canada, I strongly suggest to join our growing community, Canadian Dreamer Community Gumaka. The link is in the description below or simply type in the comment section access and I'm going to send directly this link to you, communitycanada.net. Thank you very much mga kap and signing out. Maraming salamat mga kap and see you here in Canada.